Bruce here, the Frugal Tech, and we're looking at the best-selling gaming keyboard on Amazon as the date of this recording. And this is the Redragon Kumara K552. So in this video, we're going to be checking out why the Redragon Kumara K552 is the best-selling gaming keyboard on Amazon right now. As a reminder, this video is not sponsored in any way. I purchased this keyboard with my own funds. All opinions you hear are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting it. So this is a $30 gaming keyboard with cherry blue equivalent keys, and it is built with a combination of aluminum and ABS plastic construction, so it is extremely well made. I will say that about this keyboard. This keyboard is packaged really nicely for the amount of investment you're making in this gaming keyboard. So unboxing this keyboard, front and center, you're presented with the gaming keyboard itself that comes in a bubble wrap type package. Also included is going to be a user's guide in multiple languages. It's a fairly simple user's guide, but you got one. Also, Redragon includes a plastic keycap puller in case you want to take the keys off and clean it at a later time, or customize the keys to your liking. So the Redragon Kumara K552 keyboard weighs in at 2.16 pounds, measures 13.9 inches in length, 4.8 inches in depth, and 1.5 inches in height. Also comes with 87 mechanical keys. These are, again, the Otimu cherry blue equivalents, and they are backlit with red LEDs. They also feature 100% anti-ghosting and what Redragon claims to be conflict-free keys. The non-removable USB cable comes with a gold-plated connector, and of course that helps with anti-corrosion and also the longevity of the connector itself. For Midi Control, you use the function keys at the top, and the window key can be disabled for gaming. The WASD keys, the WASD keys, are indicated on the keyboard with arrow keys as well. So with these Otimu switches, which are cherry blue equivalents, they have a very nice click to them. They're sort of on the loud side, so have a listen. Now, according to Redragon, these keycaps are really well made, and they're made to resist the lettering from kind of rubbing off on the keys. And you run into that in quite a number of inexpensive keyboards. So apparently Redragon has made this a priority in the construction of the keyboard. A combination of the function key and scroll lock key turns the LEDs on and off, and then the brightness can be adjusted as well. So Redragon's designed the Kumara K552 to be slip resistant. And so on the bottom of the keyboard, you get two adjustable legs as well as some rubber pads in order to keep it from moving around on your desk. The adjustable legs also helps you keep the keyboard in a very comfortable typing position as well. Redragon also claims that the keyboard is spillage resistant, right? You're gaming away and you spill a drink or something on your keyboard, you don't want to lose a keyboard. So this is something that they have engineered into their, quote, overly built keyboard. Now, the Redragon Kumara K552 is not just a gaming keyboard. It can be used in a productivity setting, but it does not have a numeric keypad, which would be a showstopper for me. But as far as for gaming and day-to-day usage, it really does make an excellent keyboard. So here are some of the pros of this keyboard. Number one is the build quality. One of the things Redragon advertises is how well made this keyboard is, and I got to tell you, it does appear to be very tank-like. With the combination of aluminum and ABS construction, this thing feels very solid. Let's not forget about the price. When you're in that $30 or less market, a lot of those are going to be membrane type keyboards. They're going to be very low quality. This does not do anything but say this is a quality product. To me, the keyboard is really comfortable to use. Let's talk about the cons of this keyboard, and really I can only think of one. And that is, if you're going to be using this in an office type setting, those Otimu switches are going to be pretty loud and could annoy other people. Other than that, I have yet to find any other issue with this keyboard. It's comfortable for a long gaming session. It's going to do you great. And it seems to be very well built. and it doesn't look cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. I think you're getting incredible value for under $30 in a gaming keyboard with keys designed to last over 50 million keystrokes. And that's my take on why I think this is the best-selling gaming keyboard on Amazon as of the date of this recording. You're getting a whole lot for your money. You're getting a quality, well-built item that's designed to last and can give you many, many years of gaming pleasure. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in more information about this product, we have our Amazon affiliate link down below. Bruce Naylor, until the next one.